Okay, we are going to practice the next most difficult letter learning and practicing strategy called Find the Letter That Makes the Sound. Find the letter that makes the sound. So we're still using the alphabet chart. It's one of the wonderful efficiencies about this method of teaching reading is we're using the same materials in more complex ways as children are developing some efficiency. All right, so we would say find the letter that makes the sound D, D. And we're hoping that kids are pointing to that letter. Find the letter that makes the sound mm. Now, again, if you want to help kiddos make this an easier task, you can limit the targets. So if I say, find the letter that makes the sound and someone in my group is having trouble with that, I can say it's in this row or it's in this column. Now, certainly there's more targets in the column than there is in the row. So if they just need a little help, go with the column. If they need a lot of help, go with the row so they have fewer things to look at. Okay? Find the letter that makes the sound P. There it is. P, pig, P. So this is really more complex because now they're having to take the sound of the letter as the cue that I'm giving them, find the letter that makes the sound P, and then they have to find the visual that matches the sound. More challenging, but you'll know your kiddos are ready for this if they were able to do earlier in your lessons the first four letter learning strategies. This was, again, find the letter that makes the sound.